It's not what I want to do by any means, but I also don't want to sink 20 grand into this thing. If that's what it takes for it to be reliable, is $20,000, and I can't keep doing this.
All right, everyone, here is the donor car for my Civic. Low mileage K24 Z7, low mileage, obviously it's got the trans. It's a little rusty because the last guy that had it hit a tree and mangled it up pretty good. We use this to make some products for these cars. And you know, I had it posted on Marketplace and no one wanted it, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take the engine and trans and take the seats, the sunroof, and then literally scrap this thing. So luckily this engine's pretty much almost out, so I'm just gonna unbolt the subframe, drop it out from underneath, you know, the usual 9th gen stuff. So I can take this engine and trans and literally just put it in mine. All right, guys, we got the engine out. I decided, thanks to Levi's idea, to just drop the whole strut assembly and all that because it was a little easier. A little crusty under here, but you know, I'll put a new tensioner on it because mine needs a new one anyways, and new belt, and probably swap all my accessories onto this one. Might even do the RBC. I haven't made up my mind yet, but we'll see. Got an exhaust coming for the other Civic. Need a downpipe, and she should be running around. All right, boys, day 2. I really only got at it for like 2 hours yesterday, so I can't even call this day 2, but we're back. I washed these clothes. Yes, I'm not disgusting. I'm gonna wheel the cherry picker over here, grab the engine and trans off the subframe, throw this subframe back into this car so this thing can wheel out, and I'm gonna drag it out of here. Then bring my car in, drop the engine trans out of that, and yeah. All right, guys, as you can tell, there's no car in here. The engine out. Now, when I dropped the engine yesterday, I was like, man, I probably should have checked to see if this thing rotated over, because there was no exhaust on this. And well, found out some interesting stuff. It didn't rotate over. It was like locked up, so that's freaking awesome. We dropped some WD, some mystery oil in there, and get out our borescope here. Now, with the borescope in, here's what we're dealing with. If you can see, that is a lot of rust, and that is a good spot. Keep going up a little bit. Ooh, jeez, boys, I don't know about that. That is pretty bad. And that. So, boys, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. I have a built R40. That kind of changes the whole vibe of this video.
Well guys, either way, gotta pull the engine out of the Civic.
All right, boys, got my car racked. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the engine out of this. It never ends. Well, boys, we literally have everything done. We just got to undo the subframe bolts and the engine and trans will come out. But we got to do that tomorrow. I'm calling it a night. The only reason why I didn't have this out today was because this lift is pretty old and it still uses air release. And every time we fixed the other side, never really got to this side, but I started digging into it. This literally just split in half. Let me show you all my temporary fix. Yeah, let's not talk about it. But, you know, I literally just need the car to come down and up like 2 more or 3 more times. And, you know, it'll still sit on the locks. Like right now it's on the locks, so it's fine. It's not dangerous, so let's get to it. All right, boys, we got her out. There was what used to be the replacement, but I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, this is where we're gonna end this video. I don't know what to do. That engine is terrible, as you've seen. But this is a good stopping point. It's about to be 3 a.m., so I am about to be up for 24 hours, so I really need to go to bed. But I'm gonna be out here tomorrow, and I don't really know. I'll probably just be cleaning up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car yet. I want it to be NA. I just wanna drive the car, but I don't know if I wanna chance it on this engine.